Agosonana, Agosonana, Agosonana. She needs her kimagani. Agosonana, Agosonana, Agosonana. He get all the solution.
Hello viewers, it's been a wonderful time, and as you know, my name is Napuru. Call me DJ Parara. I'm here with the chief. He's one of the chiefs that I respect so much, so far as the tradition is concerned. He's called Chief Somona Nana Agbazo. That was last year. We came out with a video, and I know you were impressed about that video. This time around, he's not going to do any money doubling, but he's going to speak based on small boys coming out on television to tell the people that they have medicine, or others call it juju, or they have a way of doubling up money for you if only you really need it. But you need to ask yourself and use your mind. Do you think it's everybody who can double up money for you? We have some people in the northern region here, especially Tamale to be precise, and that is their job. They can really do it for you, but not everybody. But as I told you already, we've seen so many small boys on television telling us that they want to charm money for us. They want to do the whole of things, but at the end of the day, if you try them, they can't do anything for you. This is the time for us to talk with the Chief Somona Nana Agbazo, for him to tell us more about the job, what he can do for you. Is it really true that he has the juju or the medicine? And what advice did Nana Agbazo have for the young guys who knows very well that they can't do the job, but rather bringing out things on television or showing themselves just to steal or maybe dupe people who don't know much about the job? Especially our brothers and sisters in the southern sector. I know a lot of people are complaining about this issue, but we have the right people who can really do the job for you. He's here with me. He's a very powerful man. When we talk of medicine, others call it juju. If you don't count him as the first person, but for the second position there, you definitely have to count him. I'm not going to talk much. He's here with me, and I know you are going to benefit a lot. So don't move away. Just stick and stay, and let's see what's going to happen. Chief, you're welcome.
Thank you.
It's been a long time. How is the family?
Oh, everybody is fine.
That's right. Chief, I want you to tell me something. So we don't have my time. I only have only 30 minutes with you. The issue of small boys coming out on television, and if you look at these days, like everybody wants to tell us that he or she can come out and then double up money for you. But at the end of the day, a lot of people, like I told you already, our brothers and sisters in the southern sector have tried a whole lot of people, and at the end of the day, they couldn't make it. That is one. And even two, almost everybody is claiming to come out from the northern sector. That is what everybody is saying. If you see anybody on television, at the end of the day, the person will tell you that I'm from Tamale, I'm from Zojbela, I'm from Bushago, which is not true, because we know plenty of them are not from Tamale here. But at the end of the day, they will mention the name Tamale, which I think you are a chief in Tamale, and you know the effects of what they are saying. Right now, I want you to tell us in Chi, what advice do you have for those people? And do you think it's everybody who come out on television that can charm money for you?
So, it's here for the Oshe TV station winning in the minute DJ Parara and Eshiano. Last year, no Obaminche. This year, no Sanaban. They be a niche the Omoshe TV station. Ope a draw the Omonto drew. Titini Nanu. Yes, sorry, no, yet Nanamu in our Moshe, a drone, I say. Cecia and a Muslim, no pese, and fat, at the no cacra, but a no crown and yet too much because Nipa no Mugusu bosom and no shadow dorsum to say Muslim. But Cecia and Quara Kitua Bia Sorea, who say Malani be waka more and I feel for Fefemo. Or no super so fat coin bonibisu. No that amount for Joe Musica. Wow, Sana money in ano, and yet Mimiti was saying, no, they be a million for the me pictures. I share Facebook, no muji amount for Sika. Facebook, or we bet made you picture, oh, one and that was or things see a Facebook. On bet made pictures and bear 100 krama. na me pictures because yet they were meeting at TV station say no I'm bomb program obi mu depend drive be share no mo record video no sa na man nyina no emboa wonnim ade na ofo so say wo ya obeye nipa na aza awie no odoje omo friend no on fa call no sa na man ya kasa say no upie TV station a wonni respect bio because so duro no na yekita no nkoda na omo fan te say e business omo di amount for 419 so upie TV station kura na any respect obi betimi afrɛ o no si na me pe double man e say enye eduro enye sa e respect ana akwara na eduro 18 years 15 years omo upie TV station na omo frɛ o ba first no kura e de hu say fie we kuro duro o ha yesuro sa fie no but this time no nkwara na ma 419 nti respect ni sa adwuma ni nyina no so me advice na me woma amanfo bi o hwe TV station o be ko bebi a make sure say enye nipa no better na TV station na o join nanum en na yete okita duro obe ka kire say obi ye 419 obi ye so obi ye say onu akasa na oti wo ka no na adwuma asem na o kai ma ono nipa na o kito tumi no woni moduru asem on better na TV station no o join nanum ese wu say onkomo na esimesi we di no da ka opese on bia sori dem a ba obenye customers pa bebre me advice na me di ma di omusho TV station nyina because brofo no kura ese oka issue no me pese di omutie brofo no no muntie di oka ni nyina na me so me davet no wo twi mu mam because they be ono e presenter they be o man for the complain aba omo ko bi ho no mo ye omo bokata omo ko bi ho so person nye some information na this o di asem na ba na ma bi secret na e wo adwuma no nyina a kire no eniti no oba me aso ye no so oba say no kwan bia na obia na ye adwuma kwan na odi kwan boni so ye adwuma nde ye bi secret ni nyina no obia ban no obia hu say na obia hu na shabre na obekita because me international no mo cyber some 40.
That's right. You heard it all from our chief. He's called Nana Agbazo. You heard it all from the man. Chief, let's make these things clear. Almost everybody claims to come up from the northern sector. I mean, those who appear on television telling people that they can double up money for them. I want you to make it clear for us to understand because if they talk of juju or medicine, everybody's talking about the northern sector. And it's true. It's really there. As you are here, we all know the kind of person you are. Why is it that everybody's talking about Tamale? Even those who are not from Tamale, those from Kumasi and other places, they all come from Tamale. That's what they said on the television, that they are all from Tamale. What do you have for them? Because you are a chief in Tamale.
So, it's here for the all share me. Our TV station winning around there. Dear DJ Kasano. One say Obia Kase or Tamale or Monfo Pion, so more Tamale. Tamale no more a draw no for hand a draw bebre. So be a person on tana or cotana baby say or on to meet an approval or person better not Tamale no cassa way da gumba ni an answer way nordnet and need to know better not Tamale. Me Akasana make us say no, me better not Tamale near me crew. Me mammy for the paha, me papa su for damango. Me too was a me a pure bunja, but Tamale na me miti, Cecia. Na midi ahene kura ho eba ne se na me betimi abetana Tamale adi ahene omu kire se asantifo na ebu omu be omu si kurom wa kurom bi su wenenim na me kita tumi different tumi na me kita no na sa tumi no bi di tumi ne tana akra ya adwuma me kasa se no nipa bebre omu nim kura omu be nim akra me tana akra aya adwuma sa ache. One day, bina me pay to me bakubi. Na sa to me no. Me ni sa to me no. Newo me be shia man bi. Oh, Tamale. Omo friend Malan Rashid. Nde mi kasa se no nipa no. Nyamia oni no kwaimu. Me no kasa se sia no. Na mi di nechi sa e wo sa to me na me pe no. bebre tamale open bebre ambeka se mala Rashid o mafo bebre beka se mala Mboza because ndi no kita di mienu obi muso friend KJB Shrine the same nipa ba kono na me betana na che ono na bi ono no family fra kra betana tamala na ma sumono because to me na me pe won ho no adi aka me bosom no no ma sumi ne sa na obebie na kumom e di to me na ma na me kitante se me papa ne me man na nyame abeji no nkwan so obeji no nkwan na me kire se the way me kita papa no no owu no e makwa se me be furu kurom ha agyan na busuafo e se me ntana mi sifia na me ntana ben ni papa na na busuafo na bibi wo ho a me no mo be ye de ye dane ebusuafo no enu no edi mi betana tamala ha enye se me nanti abetana tamale se me ya adwuma ana me be ya manfo bokata mi ye sa adwuma mananti matutu kwan bebre ba tru nipa nanti na me betana tamala ba diomu fa kwan bone so no obi kotena no kuroma ontimi ntana no kuromi ya adwuma omu dwane ade echi a obehu se o kuroma ade echi o kuroma ade amafo so bi mu o kuroma ha no omu ya adwuma na omu siesie ontimi pie nanti because wojiji amafo sika na omu penachi no eboye de atana no fie wobetimi akọ no fie kura na omu kire o se woni ho no woya amafo 419 bebre ontimi pie wobetimi akọ bono po na omu kire o se watu kwan na o kuroma eba ne se boni no doso bandi obi apie TV station a obeka se ono na ye master obi be pie TV station obeka se the whole world on na edi oduro na wo ka se the whole world wo na edi oduro no na ye nananom titifo no amamre no gusu ho no enye se muslim kura na e this time na ebe se na ma bedra ba nipa bia ni ho na ne fie ni amamre di ana face no wo ye titifo no omo be ma akora di a omo ma muslim name a omo be ma local name but this time na muslim nti na nema bebre wo ha omo ye so wo betena TV station na wo be di nkomo a make sure say nkomo na wo be di ma ho ba wo betena ka say the whole world and the whole Ghana and the whole Tamale wo na ye leader no wo ye no ofie because meti wo say ni me fie na me ye no meti ha say na me car sem bia na me pa obia ni ho na obetimi aba bebisa mbibi jise police for ne ahenefo di omo kita krom no omo be na obetimi wo young boy bia no wo tana se na wo di nkomo bia na eni user na me so metimi fie kasa wo ntimi ye hwe so omo si wo dwun papa ma obia na wo dwun ma wan kasa wo dwun moni ma wo yonko a na wo dwun ma wo ko sesi omo twa wa moja na ebepi omo twa me moja na ebepi adwuma no ye dia ye ka dia obetimi aye ye ka dia wo ntimi ye sesi ano wo pie TV station a ka adwuma ana help na obetimi aboa the whole Ghana ere dia obetimi aye 419 adwuma na waka fa ho on ni to me no a on bisa dia omo wotimi na wo ma no ba obedi komo na one bie mu akasa maybe wo be kasa akorua nipa kasie mu nsam ano so TV station obi atua sika na ombo Royal TV me bo mi program NTV me bo GTV me bo station ni nyina wo kita sika ba mu ye no amu ye no jiska business no mu ye so wo kita usika na okotwa program aya susu kasa dia obetimi aye na dia wontimi ye enye no na obema wadwene na wadi me paacho mu no mu hwe TV station no aya mu so mu hwe TV station a mu ma munyansa wo TV station no enye mboa na eye mu wuhu obi na obetimi abo wuhu enye obi na ebe kira meti wo se no mi hu se nipa wo ebetimi abo me aba enye obi na obe kira no so obetimi abo me mi hu nipa na obeti ontimi mbum ya ba enye obi na obe kire me so hu de ebe bo no a enye obi na ebe ka kire enye ombebe na se na omodwo omonum 419 no mu di counterfeit nema dipa bia na obe pie TV station no yiska action na woye no they say agro the wo be ya na amanfo be feel enu enkyere say etumi first obi fie kura no obusum na e mani sika wo kyerɛ ne so wo sika duro kura be kyerɛ so wo ni sika duro a secret thing na yɛ sɛ wo kita wade wo yire ne wo ba mu kura wo dem a wo mom mu sɛ what sika duro family no obi betimi ewu na mo suspect sɛ wo na waji ne sika duro because omo wo adwuma papa bia na wo ye na wo timi nya sika to answer but aya sometimes obi mu ba omo nti ase na omo ntie de ekoso wo TV station obe sori na o ka se o ono de the whole world na size ni ho the whole world size ni ho no omo wo na wa ba be tu oduro no omo ba be wo omo wo na wo ba be tu oduro ye nyina se ni ye ba be tu but enye tumi bia na obekita wo betimi akita tumi we na wo ni we wo fere se nipa we mame ko no ha ko gitumi ko betimi akọ no na wo di tumi di bia ka ho but wo fere a ba wa ye ho so nde ese mi bie duro secret na e wo duro mu nyina a kire presenter no ono so kwotena bebi a obehu nkomo na obedi because see o mo fa ne se di opie TV station nyina o ye 419 ana wo ye ata but eno so enye bone papa nye hwea bone so nye hwe so the ewo no.
All right. That's Chief Sumona Nana Agbazo, a one-on-one interview with him, and then just about the issue of guys appear on television, just to convince people for them to know that they have juju or medicine and then money rituals. And if you try to meet them personally for you to strike up business, they can really double up money for you. 99% of them are fake. They are not telling us the right thing. And I can see that our brothers and sisters, most especially from the southern sector, are complaining a lot. And they think almost everybody in the northern region who appear on television is a liar or someone who cannot do the job for them. This is the issue we are tackling today. And I'm here with Chief Sumona Nana Agbazo. Chief, one more time, I want to ask you this question. It's a little bit controversial, but there's a need for you to answer it because you are a chief. If the Chief Sumona Nana Agbazo, do you have juju? And where did you get it?
Okay. The obisa no me de pass obisa sa kwashimo. Edru, omoka se edru no. Je wonimia. Na wa oti wo se obese wu na Agbazo information. This e woko damango. Na wa bisa se na Agbazo. No edru no we beginning say. Time na me ya kwara kitua na me starti me bra awo damango. Mitimi ko school from Dana mako Danasre from Danasre na mako class 2 class 3 class 4 omusi mi ko school omu di mi ko school ni nyina me be free class mu na me ko she nwuro mintia mi angasa na mintia se na master se omu ko chi mi bra because na mi wo brain pa I was school mi ya dey was school but na mitimi me nye time ma school mu na me papa si mi ye stubborn pa mi ye stubborn no ese onkoye de na no me papa won na twe bembre na ono so anu ankasa no wo sa na ye odrodro ama for me sorry ye fi edro na wo ye se na me papa ye kitwa na wo jai na ye se ye sorry na me papa no ye no wo ye machine no wo repele machine nika di omu di ye brosan we na on no ye but no bia nim say me papa is spiritual man mi menim be bia na me papa ya asa adwuma na apti na wonye njaye na nipa na wonim mi say na Agbazo ana no wonim mi wo yokurom damango obema o story obeka ni na mi di na mi kire me papa say school ne de mi nko bio omo pe dua na omo ye haban no omo aye dura ma obi a me be kokotutu na fulani ni no na oton me papa na ntwe no rough na me kire me papa say onji na ntwe ni ma me be di na ntwe na echi na oji na ntwe ni nyina ma me oji na ntwe na ma me no me di na ntwe na echi sa na me ni fulani fo na ye nanti beginning me be start oduro di omutimi ma me sika ye duro because ye na nwuro mu no na ye di agoro na ye twa ye nko sika na ye try ye ho from there na me chiro say me petuo duro sa nema no na fulani fo ne ye ma me sa ahasa na me ho me be ye stubborn na me pento contact ko ase wo bisa me de wonni mi na na gbazo story a me story na me fie story na me ka chiro na me pento contact kwa na mo be frame me fire day group na me be organizing crofo na mo frame me fire day group ye nanti na e pento kwa because wo twa esika entwa wo boy etu embwa de obaye bia wo ba ye frɛ wo na wo ba ye bebu so me beginning no me start beginning na ma yes na ma ni nyina abaye na me be fa ɛhɔ no so be twa no a na me be gya na me start di oduro te sɛ oba wo frɛ oba na wo mpia na wo kyekyere no na mo ba na me ye te sɛ 8 years na me namba 3 na ye wo dem ba kum me ga say no 3 mu nyina so no nyame tumiti masana ware samba ne nyina egumi fi me no mu na bigini no mu nim de wo mi ye ma eduro mi bibia me no mu up to now me no mu na eti samba no na me ye duro mu say na manfo ba na me ya mu asana na manfo nimbe wo mi so too much na me papa say de wo eti no obema me nkwa akra so akra no odi mi kwa akra no na me kotana Madina abie me branch ba ku bi susu wo domi na me ya adwuma wo Madina ne domi atomic down ho susu na ma yubie kakra ho ma ya adwuma no ho saa but na tumi ba ku na me nibi di omudi ayesika kwan no ade na edi me betana tamale na me ma o me life story no so na me wo de bi me wo fie na amafo me ahoho ne bi beka kire me sa yeti man bi nka wo TV station na me si man be no mo bo ne di malam Boza malam Rashid na me sa etisadia se me ko hia no no sukura woni me dada na o si enye wo na ye fire dey fo o mo penye na me se ya mia na o si me pede wa akra na me si wa akra na me ya adwuma sesia na o si wo no ba be ye radio program na ma me si wo ende ebe boye nyina oho na me ne no ahia me no hia no na me di ma hoho no de omo pe sika kwan no na me di omo ba no ya mo so na me se ende sa kwan no me pe sa kwan na me di account na o se ende gi se me brand of no mami no ho na ma no na ma dware na ma di oduro no ansana me betimi aye sika kwan ana sika duro ama obi na nipa no betimi a survive na me se no kwan na me pe na ma di na chi from Accra Batamala na ma jai me hero Accra betimi ba ha na manfo frame na me kire se me wo north na o mo fa ka free Accra ba north na me di omo di omo pe sika kwan no me no no wo sa na obe kire me kwan ni nyina na obedane nyame die na me si kwan na efa sesesi an e ma kwan se me be obi wu awe na ma jai no akọ na ma family mi yire ni mi kwada ni nyina betana tamal na me boa adwuma na odi na me pe no no na odi adwuma na kire me en na e ma me ba be katamala wa no so sesi a obi a no be kire o se oduro omunsua otwontro nipa no na kuma ye fita obetime di a kire o na daji wo so be ye nipa but enye se obetana ye manfo 419 because 419 no doso obi wo obetime do no an kasa ni sika no wa edit no no ka se wo ye tumi na wodi e kire no na de open no nye sika kwan ewo ade ani ho a ne din so enyi ho so but one hwehwemu ana wo ko baby papa ana wo ka se penyinu we o fie fefefe ana wo ka fefefe o wo se na wo di sika ni bre a obeye obukata oduro die omonto oduro but this time amanfo omudi azabia ba bi shemu na mo pese omo sai bibia so nde me pese secret bia na ewo duro mu a me be bie mu na obi ahu kwan na amanfo di ya amanfo obukata me be view secret ne nyina akira mu TV station 4 week na mo be ko be bia na mo ye investigation yi answer na moko.
All right, one-on-one interview with Chief Sumona Nana Agbazo. He's here with me, and then we're just trying to clear out things for people to understand the main reason why we are doing this interview. And the interview is that we have a lot of people, at least 99% of young guys are appearing on television, claiming they have juju and they can double up money for you, which is a big lie and it's a fake thing. And it's good for us to make it clear for you to know the secret things behind all these things. Now, my chief is here, and then just a few minutes for me to wrap up with him, but I still have a question for him. Chief, the whole northern region, even though we are outside and we've been hearing more about you, if you are going to talk about juju or maybe money rituals, if you don't hear of Nana Agbazo, then maybe it will be hard for you to hear any other name apart from Nana Agbazo. Everybody's talking about Chief Somowura, Nana Agbazo, Chief Somowura, Nana Agbazo. But others are saying they are the very people who have juju than any other person in the northern region. What do you have to say about that? Even though we are hearing your name, but as to whether you've ever witnessed that, and do you really believe in what they are saying?
But when say adie adepa na eto no. Te say nkomo na obisa say no. Nipa bebre wo bata malaha. Na obebisa say dipa no mo kita din e wo drum e wo no de region ye burbe 1000. Meti wo say na me ntimi kire say me na me ye master the whole way. Mpenyimfo omugu dem na omu kita sa tumi no. Bande kura nye young boys we na ebe ma o sa tumi na. Wo ko hye no wodem na wo si onye sa ade na ma wa obeka say woni bi because kita ni say secret but you obeka say onu na ye oduro onu na ye oduro bibia wo krom ha oni we na start wo ye ntrofo mesi wo ye ntroni because mika twi no bebre no nipa bebre wo ha omo beti twifo no beti bebre no but dagomba susu a ye wo krom ha sei no dagomba fo krom na e wo no obia bepia no oka asem na e makwen so obekasa obia pio no obeka asem na e makwen so obekasa eduro nipa bebre wo krom ha no omo kite oduro but ye young boys na e wo din because ye mu occasional wo kwa na wa ko yiska wo ko chamniska na wo di agro no mu ana mo be peja wuti o say the whole one a title and say but eno enka oduro ho ana with the videos wo ko twa piece video add downloading Facebook and YouTube because who per say won dada man for jom sika obi won bet me atwa short video no wa download the video Facebook obi wo short or short video no dia share YouTube obi wo share Facebook no dia share we baby obaya no wachi nipa adwen kwan no fa so ye no say no ma ono wo ba no wa chiransa action no ye no onim ho na wo ontimi ye because woni ho no camera no na odi camera na be twa no wo ye no editing the operation on ye o ye yu aba woni ho no wo post no Facebook and YouTube wo ko sha na wo so hwa won wasem na 419 no be ye ho no so wo be hwe action a wo di action no anwon wasem nti wo ko bi ho a on be ye obukata wo pese wo huntumi a na wo mbe hia na Agbazo a wo ko bebi a fake people place na obekon because nipa de ye kasa ma ye ho madansi fufuo no endoso se wan kasa wo dwo wonum eninti tamale bebi a na Ghana bebi a wo bo na Agbazo di a omunim nipa kro na ye na Agbazo police for soldiers for obia me bu obia wanye court case lawyer for be ka obia sem na won timi nda ni nyina no wo ba nyame tumiti enye say charges edro na ebe ya ma na wa kodware na wo bo ho ban obi di tu okurasi wo so ebe say dua na odi huna but enye say wo betena TV station na wo dwo wonim bebre so tumi wo pese wo hu edro a di say oba na Agbazo aso e ne yalma do tu no zanda gbal ma biela mixele because ni yalma dagban tamalkat zabima timbe tamalama to yola taba ka varsa taba ni yalna pasu agba pasu ni yalna nyesu agba nyesu so biagu wona biagu nyasa pam hala mbora ni malagar kama wula ka yina ka so budola angmala yin ya nya ka chana be amal ka nunkurugu gare ka betro jilma because of amal gare ma zo now zo ayan pi an suru bindirgu di before ka yan pi an mi zo aba mi biane now zo ayan TV station na yala now zo yal hankala yetwa ka din yala mebi abiyan yula pulma zo ndi fila jele den garandolne be ko nananum biene katandanum biene tandanum ma bumbo nyala bol nyale bum biene ma bunu su batang bane kan nang batang ban dun tuna ban nang be yeto shele ka dum mal biya go tstaza sana buluna bon won ban sheka biyan boy tandanum nin pika ba zamba nang ndi wahala shel ma za tradition mama nu wa shambala so ya TV station na yang ma jirindi now zo yal ya to shela yala kadu sakse ta nolne an yalla to shel dan gara nolne bini yila ka yula ka pa ben shaw now zo ka chonna manager man to ya no song nerve shaw e second le bi yan ne chimbla be young boys be agban ba trip tibarba nous so on song nerva kabi yal na on zo ben yala so kam ni yal tamale be bon bora bu votement TV station radio station kan yo live phone kam kat kon set ban ba bi maza ngona ka bo bora be ngono song nerva kam mi biyan bol so yole era kaya kana radio station be TV station tu jo anu dan ni tima hala mal garam palori ka so bidira naw lo aka lagare nangle ka sambanam dia sharavia ngara mina yin yetwa ate so musicien so ngon kam to song me ka nir ka so kam bang na gbazo onyala blichi na zo ka ya zaba pio nyama da pala gawa be mi jida tamal bazo nzala mana na dagba nyama pio zaba sin nyama mada yila pa kan fada yidamango bat yeto shal biene ka dagba nyama ni yeto shal biene biar mal mapam nanzo kanana ma bumbu bolten saksete katia yala so kamia yira TV station ndi fila yiram dia ya pala tam shel katana tishan zabr shel kadinya la mebi milsubu wis nim visha bundu tuna ti yala yana aya yal mo me yaram
all right so but let's hold it down here. Chief Sumona Nana Gbagso is speaking Dagbani right now just to advise those who are speaking jargon words on television. Now it's about time for us to close down the program, and as I told you already, just one-on-one interview for him to clear out things for us to know. But we are going to talk about those who are powerful in the northern region. He's one of them, so there's a need for me to find out from him so that he'll give an advice to the youth and those who are doing that. Chief, now we're about to end the program. Your final words to the small boys who are doing that on television.
Sesi ano makasa bebre efa sika kwai no. Ope sika kwai no. Minchirese menkwa na wekita sika kwai in the whole world. Ba mi so mekita bi. Maybe uko sha titi no kura ebe di oduro. Mebe time yi mal en fort très na me ko hwe sabre. De ombet me abo oduro no mame. Mebe hwe bebi owia be pie na bebi owia be to be kokosi. Na ma hwe dia mitumi wo me ho say obet me aboa me na ma ko hwe so ansana mako nipa no but me kasa say no maka asem bebre me be ma yenko na me di me master no achire me master no onenie from there no na yeko masuye bebia ma dwuma mu wo no na masana ye ho so kakra because esia no sa agrogro no wo ye bibi na wo ya agrogro no amonfo show say wanum na wodwa untimi ye so from hano bebe sana ma ye ko ma so ye kakra na mo hwe one of two things be ansana mo say to me be sin to me be
Okay.
so dia me ko ebe chie tifo no nyina wo TV station we eso no na nagozo ma sem is end no bye bye.
That's right, Chief Sumona Nana was a one-on-one interview. Like I told you already, last year we were here just to have some information from him. And today too, we are here to get another information. And it's an advice to all our brothers and sisters and those people in the southern sector. You need to be extra careful. you get to know the kind of people that you need to deal with. People coming out on television to convince you, for you to give them the opportunity, they are not the right people. The right people are here, and he's one of them. So just come to him and he'll solve all your problems for you. My name is Napuro, call me Parara, and then my cameraman is Abdul Someh Sen of Marvelous Film Studio. Thanks for joining with us.
He get all the solution.